New ways to take a ride with the new BMW Rear Bike Carrier Pro 3.0, available for 2 or 3 bikes. Let's mount them. Unfold the bike carrier. Unlock the clamping lever and swing it upwards into vertical position. Lift the bike carrier and push the support for the bicycle carrier horizontally over the ball head. Is the bike carrier parallel with the bumper? Great! Lock the lever and remove the key. Connect the socket and lock it in clockwise. Check all the lights on the bike carrier before your journey. Also, attach the third license plate, depending on your country. Mount the first 2 bikes starting from the back as shown in our other how-to video. The third bike will be mounted to the second one. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.